Card and care. Card definition. A card is a piece of thick paper or thin cardboard, typically rectangular, used for various purposes such as identification, greetings, or playing games. Examples: she handed me her business card with her contact information. Let's play a game of poker with these playing cards. Care definition. Care is the provision of what is necessary for the health, welfare, maintenance, and protection of someone or something. Examples: she took great care of her plants by watering them regularly. The nurse provided excellent care to the patient in the hospital. Differences. Meaning. The key difference between card and care lies in their meanings. Card refers to a physical object made of paper or cardboard, while care pertains to the action of looking after or providing for someone or something. Usage. Card is often used in the context of paper products like business cards, playing cards, or greeting cards, whereas care is used to describe the act of showing concern or providing assistance. Pronunciation. While card and care are spelled differently and have distinct meanings, they are pronounced similarly in American English, which can lead to confusion in spoken language. Similarities. Common usage. Both card and care are common words used in everyday language, albeit in different contexts. They are fundamental terms that are easily understood by English speakers. Context-dependent. The meanings of card and care can vary based on the context in which they are used. Understanding the context is crucial in interpreting their intended meanings accurately. In summary, card and care are two distinct words with different meanings and uses in the English language. While card refers to a physical object, care relates to the provision of assistance or attention. Paying attention to context and pronunciation can help differentiate between these two words in spoken and written communication.